Hi stars! Trust me, Afang is a religion. Just take a look at this.
Afang can never fail. Hi stars! Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Please, if you're new here, kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share. Thank you. Okay, so today we are going to be making our native soup, Afang soup. Yeah, Afang is king. I can't wait. Let's go.
These are the ingredients you need: meat, Pomo, unshelled periwinkle, dry fish, stockfish, washed waterleaf, Afang, crayfish, spices, and palm oil. We actually forgot while making the video. First, you season your meat with pepper and spices. Please don't add onions when you're making afang. It just doesn't taste nice. Mix well and allow to cook for some few minutes, okay? Once your meat is properly cooked, you add your stockfish to cook for a few minutes too. Pour in your palm oil and add the washed waterleaf and allow to cook for a few minutes. Okay stars, I like adding my unshelled periwinkle later so it doesn't get too soft and you have to be looking for them in the soup. Add your fish and half of the crayfish. Mix properly, cover and let it cook for a few minutes, okay? Finally, add your afang and the remaining crayfish and give that a good stir. Alright, stars, just cook this for a few minutes and your delicious yummy afang is ready. Hey. So stars, what swallow would you be pairing this with? Is it fufu or gari? Let us know in the comment section, okay?
So it's time to test, guys. Let's wash our hands. Get to test.
Very
Afang can never
nice.
fail. Afang soup for the win. Tastes really good. See you guys in the next video. Please do well to subscribe, like, share. Bye.
Bye.